Big up Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, who is going to the Vybz Kartel show tomorrow? A show in hands. Okay. Nuffy, big up yourself.
Yes.
Man, which part? Your ears or your foot?
On my head.
I lied.
Alright, here. Remember Gaza and away. I'm on my way to Atlanta right now. ATL. Expect me. Don't fall.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Yeah man, remember if for your first time I check out the channel, we are begging a like and a subscribe upon the content. We respect it, you see me? Appreciate it. Yeah man, so in this episode, we have MC Nuffy travel over to Atlanta to Vybz Kartel show on the 6th of June. You don't know the state from Marina go burn off tomorrow, you see me? Yeah, check out him vlog and see how the journey are going for MC Nuffy there. So also we have Vybz Kartel. I do a small interview via satellite with DJ Pop Dog before him jet over to ATL. Where I check out a little clip from that interview there and see what the general a roll a reason boy. You see me people? Yeah man. Also we have World Boom Operation. Yeah man, I link up with Jamal man in England. A show on the 6th of June as well. We can take a look at that and see how that journey they are going. You see me? Yeah man. Also we have Skilli Bang advice him new song Ivany. Ivany gone viral in people. Yeah man, she bust on the OnlyFans and Skilli seat and say yo, I have to drop a tune about it. You see me? To how she did the place right now. Yo, a big things are going people. I have to go check it out. So just stay tuned, you see me? Yeah man, so we kick it off first with MC Nuffy. Check out him vlog.
On the way to Atlanta. The Uber pick me up. I'm gonna drink some tea in a plastic cup. I believe. How does the side that?
Shan.
Oh, I see I got Atlanta. Who show?
Cartel.
Oh, we're inside. See that we're at the ringside. We're about to board. Yeah. See it? Yeah man, we're moving man. Atlanta, here I come. Yo, the general is in concern. General. Yo. Lo. Big old plane as well.
Sure.
Yeah, man, so we're going Sean, yeah. I'm glad this show, so ready, please. Take it away. And I'm with a 10 over on the side. Okay. No, right here. In the middle.
Welcome aboard a bubble flight 393 to Atlanta. Who is going to the Vybz Kartel show tomorrow? A show in hands. Okay. Nuffy, big up yourself. The MC is on the plane, you guys. Vybz Kartel MC is on the plane. His assistant is also up front. So I just want to big up everybody and welcome aboard. Thank you.
See? I said, go ahead now. I share on the plane now. Hi, boss.
Big up Nuffy.
Take it away. How where we are going? Which way are they?
Atlanta. Vybz Kartel show. Make sure you're there.
Make sure. You are there?
Yes.
Man, which part? Your ears or your foot?
On my head.
I lied. Big up Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, party tomorrow.
And once I say Vybz Kartel and them start, well, who talking?
Look at the pilot.
The pilot. Who talking?
The pilot.
Okay. Yo. Ready now.
Road boss.
Yeah. People, I'm ready. I'm ready for the show, yeah. Ready. The people, I'm ready for see a general. I'm ready, them just want to see you. Ready again. Outside. Yeah. Tomorrow. Alright. Ready now. I'm ready.
Yeah, you like it? Alright, everybody cheese.
Hold on.
Alright, here. Remember Gaza and away. I'm on my way to Atlanta right now. ATL. Expect me. Don't fall.
Wine to me, move up the waistline to me,
Alright, so you see it, you know, everybody say Gaza, the pilot say Gaza, the flight attendant say Gaza, the whole flight fully Gaza out. Yeah man, it's a Gaza flight. Yeah man, everybody I met them way over to Vybz Kartel show in Atlanta tomorrow, the 6th of June. Yeah man, check it out, State Farm Arena. So if you're in the Atlanta area there and you can make it to the show, make your way over there. The show got epic people. Yeah man, and can see everybody I look forward to go to the show. Everybody wants to see Vybz Kartel live in concert. Yeah man, and I know normal. I don't know teacher bun down Atlanta where they, you know, and it go bun down again. You see me to OMD with it, them have to send him again, you know. And a lot of people never get to see him them first time when for the Atlanta there. So this is a good opportunity for who did miss out last time, can go and see him again right now. You see it, yeah man, and I know normal people. It's a good look. We love to see it, you know. Yeah man, the energy high and the vibes is right. It's a good look. Yeah man, so now we're gonna check out Vybz Kartel look at interview via satellite with DJ Pop Dog. Yeah man, he might make a real talking at that interview of people. I want to hear it. Check it out.
That's what we need for dancehall right now in this new dispensation of the music.
I love the fact that you guys have kind of, you know, made an alliance with each other too. I know there was a little drama for a few years and like that, but you guys squashed that whole thing and just gonna make this money together now.
Hell yeah. Like I said, man, it's all about positivity, man. Teamwork make the dream work. So it's like with even Afrobeats. You don't have one giant.
Yeah.
You have several.
Yeah.
So the music stays in your face. We need giants all over the place. We fill in stadiums in New York. Simultaneously, we're doing it in London. We're doing it in Brazil. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So teamwork made the dream work, man. And if you think about it, a lot of stuff that we as entertainers fight about, it won't be important in 5 years anyway.
All right. Vybz, it's an honor to speak to you. Thank you so much. And I will definitely see you in the studio.
No problem, G. Big up in a Pop Dog. Fully. Hey, this is Vybz Kartel. And I'll be on with Pop Dog this weekend on the Top 30 Countdown.
So you hear the teacher reasoning they say, you know, he must say, yo, the bag of fighting thing where artists normally fight over more while, it don't make sense really, because in a 5 years time, it not gonna really matter. It not gonna important. What got important at the end of the day are the big song them where you find, the hit tune them where you find, and the catalog where you build up over the 5-year period there. You see what I did? Yeah man, and that really matter. The impact we are gonna make on the people them. That is what the teacher really I get that based from my understanding. You see me? Yeah man, and that me really seen at that interview there, cause them I show you say yo, just like Afrobeats you have whole heap of giant like Davido, Burna Boy them, the Wizkid them, all of them African giant there. The female African artists them too, you see me? Yeah man, the Thames and all of them big artists there, them a show you say yo, a whole heap of giant over there, you see me? And that him wants if a dancehall as well, not just him alone as a giant out on the forefront, a rep dancehall, whole heap of giant out the same way. Sean Paul, the Shaggy them, the Beanie them, the Killer them, you see me? Young talent them are forward in a program to massacre them, the Skilli them, the Skilli them. That the teacher wants to see. The teacher wants to see the whole giant dancehall out there, you see me? Every giant in a dancehall active and the young giant them active same way. That time vision, that time goal, you see me? And he might work towards it because he might set the forefront, he might set the pace and assure the standard where he might work with. So you don't know how it go. Yeah man, the standard is the standard. Yeah man, so now we are check out World Boom. Yeah man, dog I make a trip go over England for go connect with Dunce man when I type. Them have a show up on the 6th of June to people. Same day as Kartel show, we're gonna see what go on because you don't know over in England that big Jamaican fan base. You see me? Yeah man, big up all of my G them at England, big up everybody in the UK right now while I listen to that vlog. Yeah man, large up.
What more can I do? One and a two or three. I see him leave my left the goalie. Don't worry, retaliation in a hurry. Don't worry. No, I hear the voice on the goalie. Get your box right, man, this Friday. Birmingham. See it, you know, ready? Let's go buy out the little ticket, them left. World Boom, World Team, Jamal, Dunce man, live. Go be pure life. You know the big operation, the yellow and white. 90% sold out already now. There, man. Now come down. Man, we not gone away. When we fi gone, we up on the goalie cutter right just on my barn.
Yeah, family, so that a World Boom. Yeah, man. The general, I make sure some catch a flight for reach over the inner England, inner UK. big show tomorrow on the 6th of June. He might connect with Jamal Dunsman, cause Dunsman already there on the ground and I wait for the show tomorrow too. You see me? Yeah man, we have a clip there with Jamal over in England. Check it out.
Chop the line. Chop the line. Don't chop the line. Yeah, take out the ballon door.
Nine, man. Excuse me now. Hello?
Yes, please.
Take your phone out. How do you?
She said we got bricks. Like London.
That a Jamal Dunsman and all the energy over there in England. Yeah man, in UK, the general touchy in on the ground and all the mad rems. Don't know straight vibes I get the energy to set speed, you see me? Yeah man, it's a good look. They have a show tomorrow in Birmingham. Yeah man, the 6th of June. Anybody when not hear the to check in an event cause you hear where boom say 99% sold out already basically, you know. Yeah man, so you know so people want to see the Dunsman, you see me? Yeah man, it's a good look for Sister Jamal and get that break up on the international level too, you see me? Yeah man, the cheat up on the ground and I roll it off for a while. Film time to get a run now, it's a good look. Yeah man, him for burn it off and shell it down, you go see what I go on to. You don't know how it go, you see me? Yeah man, so now we are check out Skilli new song with Ivany. People that want to cause a whole heap upstairs in that place, you know. Yeah man, cause you don't know Ivany. She gone OnlyFans right now and the people them are react crazy. Yeah man, be man and say yo, Ivany thing loud. Yeah man, I think connect. So we are check out the song with Skilli do and hear the reaction of the people them are going to set speed to, you see me? Yeah man. So that a Skilli new song, you know, people. Ivany. Yeah, man, is a tribute song to Ivany herself, you know. Yeah, man, you can tell by the reaction from Ivany. She rate the song. You see it, people. You can see that the song have a energy. Yeah, man, it have a bounce in it. I made it a couple times and it have a bounce. It have a catchy vibe to it because you know how Skilli been construct theme songs. It have a catchy and it have a bounce in it because from recent times, Skilli find them, you know. Skilli find the hit song them, you know, people. Because I'm not sure if you know, but Skilli right now, they're on the billboard and a small billboard, a big billboard at 100, and the song with Shensia and Mali Shake It to the Max remix. Yeah man, it a go on right now and the dog up on the billboard a climb. You see me? Yeah man, it a go on good. Last time we check it about 60 something, in the 60s probably. By next week it in the 50s or the 40s. We are so it a go call a good song that. Yeah man, cause you know how Skilli go to work. Yeah man, it's a good song. So we are see all the new song Ivany deal with the street, you see me? But you don't know, people are kind of bash Ivany still, and I say yo, she should go over to OnlyFans cause you know she make that step down, gone over to OnlyFans and she start release adult content, you see me? Yeah man, so people have them opinion about it and I say yo, she shouldn't do that and she should have roll out and you know probably get a work at Whole Foods or Home Depot. One bag of things, you know, people are gonna say more while when you do something out of it. Nah, when a conventional. So one user wrote, Jamaicans under 28 are cooked. Just wipe with a generation your father and start fresh. Laughing emoji. Alright, so the next person wrote, sad part is she can't spell because half the stuff she posts as a memo. I think she mean meme. So in regards to whatever she trying to do is giving no education, but yet this cute and get praise. Education is very important. Alright, so our next user wrote, Ivany, right now you make me in my ear, girl. Now listen to the noise. Your bumbuckler winning. I still understand one day Live your life, Gelly. Jano style. And next user wrote, Vani, I need you to hold your head high. Never make anyone make you feel less out here doing worse than you, and they still talk to them. All them women are better. Please, Vani, do you and keep going and holding your head so high so you block out negativity. You have people that love you, honey. Heart and one bag of emoji. So you have people who are opposite and you have people who are give encouragement same way upon top of it, because you don't know, as me say, once you do something out of the norm, people are going to have them criticism, so you have to know how to manage that as a public figure as well, isn't it? I'm sure Ivany did prepare herself for that before she even go up on OnlyFans, knowing how Jamaican people stay and things. So yeah, man, if she do her thing, make sure just go and balance and make her food is eat, because she put out all her response and make people know. Can check it out, people. Here Ivany says
$11,000 I make before 72 hours. I just like I'm in the camping on me daddy. Oh, me not feel love over there. Why you think you gonna see me all day today, guys?
So you hear the amount of money Ivany says she make in a 72 hours with the people. Yeah, man, couple $1,000. Well, she make in a 72 hours, 3 day time money that she says she make that in a 3 day. Ladies, if you are listening, let me know. You don't do that OnlyFans something there. You don't want to go up on OnlyFans and make them couple $1,000 US well in a 3 day time. Let me know if you don't do it or not. And the G them want to listen. Let me know if you're cool with the baby mother or your girl up on OnlyFans and make content and be a content creator upon OnlyFans and show her body certain way. You that good with that, my G? Let me know. Because you don't know, it's a topic up for debate. A lot of people see that nothing wrong with it, and certain people say, yo, things wrong with it, you see me? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah, man. So if you make it through to the end of the episode, we just want to big you up and tell you thanks. Like and subscribe to the content, people. Yeah, man. Check in our next episode. Man.